This is a video guide to help those that want to create a shared presentation for aligned slides for instruction. This part of the guide you can skip if you want to go straight to Google Presentations, but I prefer the platforms that you can utilize in PowerPoint to get some of the artwork and then upload into Google Slides. In PowerPoint, I create the template first. So I start with a blank presentation form and then I create layouts for the entire week. I like to start with the title and content slide for every page or for every day part, and I usually start with a morning slide and do one for every day of the week. Oftentimes what you can do is you can type up your first slide and then copy and paste for the remainder of the week so that you can continue to use that same slide over and over again without having to continue to retype all of that information. Once you have the template created the way that you want it, then you can take that template and you can then upload it to Google Drive. So once you've created it, you can create it on your desktop or you can put it in some sort of file format on your C drive or someplace else. Once you have it there, then go ahead and go to your Google Drive. Once you're in your Google Drive, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find your shared folder that you created for your presentation slides. Go ahead and click on that folder, and then once you're in that folder, then go over to Create. When you go to Create, you're going to create a presentation. It will ask you if you want to create and share, and go ahead and create and share. Once it's created that untitled presentation, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to rename that presentation. You're going to rename the presentation, and this presentation you're going to name as your template. This is very important that you rename it presentation template, and then you probably want to make note, always make a copy to remind everyone that we will never use this as the one to write in, but this will be used as a copy. Once you have titled it, then you're going to go over to File and you're going to select Import Slides. When you're in Import Slides, you'll click Upload, and then you're going to select a file from your computer. You'll specifically select that file that you are going to use as your template. Wait for it to upload. Once the template has uploaded, you're going to want to come over to where it says Select Slides and select All, and then you're going to click Import Slides. Once you've clicked Import Slides, then the slides will appear here. You can go ahead and you can delete the first slide that you needed initially when you imported for the presentation, and then you can take care of any formatting issues that may occur because of the transition from PowerPoint to Google Slides. At this point, it's already shared because it's in the folder, and then this is where we're going to go from here and begin making a copy. So at this point, fix your formatting issues and then you will make a copy of that. To make a copy, you'll go make a copy, and then you'll want to date this the week of that presentation or that week of slides, which could be December 10th through the 15th. Okay, make sure you click Share with the same people and then click OK. Now you will be working in the slides for that week and not the make a copy. This will be a separate one that you and your team can collaboratively work on to create your slides for the week, to stay aligned, to keep the same learning targets, and to help students be successful. One thing to note, when you do make a copy of your template, it will not save in the actual sample team presentation. So you'll need to go to your drive and you'll need to find that actual presentation that you made, And you're going to need to click on that and then right click, and then you're going to have to select Move To, and then move that slide to that folder so that it is contained in that folder. Anyone that shares that folder can do that. And that's how you import a PowerPoint, create a new presentation slide in Google Presentations, and put it in a shared folder so that all teammates can work on it. Thank you.